Hi everyone, and welcome to this explainer video on the past continuous tense. So let us dive straight into it. So the formula for the past continuous tense is subject plus was were plus verb in the ing form plus object. As I told you in the earlier video that if it is a continuous tense, it will have the ing form. Now let us understand, when is the past continuous tense used? Now the past continuous tense is used for unfinished ongoing actions in the past plus a finished action. I will repeat that. It is used for an unfinished ongoing action in the past plus a finished action. Now let us understand how this works. Let's take an example. If you look at this example, I was having lunch with my family when the phone rang. Now I would like to explain this to you with a timeline. Now this is a timeline. This portion of the timeline is the past, this is the present, and this is the future. So let us look at this example. I was having lunch with my family when the phone rang. Now, having lunch is an ongoing action. The person was having lunch in the past, and then the phone rang. The phone rang is a finished action, right? So this is how a past continuous tense works. It works with unfinished ongoing actions in the past and a finished action. Let us look at one more. It was raining when Priya left for the airport. So in this, it was raining is an unfinished ongoing action. When Priya left for the airport is a finished action. Let's look at a third one. The power went out when the children were studying. The children were studying is an ongoing action. The power went out is a finished action. Let's look at the last one. We were waiting at the bus stop when the accident happened. Waiting at the bus stop is an ongoing action. When the accident happened is a finished action. So I hope it is clear when the past continuous tense is used. I have made a small chart, which I had made in the earlier video also. For I, he, she, it, and Mohan, which is a noun, we use was, and you, we, they, we use were. So I hope it is clear when we use the past continuous tense. You can now proceed to the exercises of the past continuous tense. Thank you.